Hey, what's going on guys? Asad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the Q tag. So yeah, what Q tag stand is for quotation, or short quotation. So what we need to do, just you know here remove all that, and just use a P tag and write WWF, goal is to. Now the if you want to put inside a quotation, what you need to do is Q and build a future where people people live in a as hey that doesn't represent my opinion though. If you're thinking that ultra conservative with nature, that's not my opinion though. Don't get crazy, okay? So here, so you can see there's a quotation. So this is the work of the what we call the quotation mark. So hope you guys understand. See you guys in the next tutorial.